Today we're going to be getting tyres on our other two rims, and then get these two also changed as well because they're two different sizes.
Yeah, exactly. And we're also doing a wheel alignment as we change the control arms. As you probably saw, they should all be done. So it looks good.
Yeah.
Hopefully it all works out.
Easy.
See what happens.
Alright, so we got them on, all four. Just gonna go get them aligned now.